How would they know?
How would they know?
How would they know? What's up, guys? I'm Jayla Koriyan, and the big question is, do blondes really have more fun? I put it to the test. Alright guys, let's get into the unboxing of my new blonde unit. My unit is from the Carissa collection, also known as TCC hair. It comes in a nice sleek black box, and I'm going to open her up just like this. I have a few cards that fail. This is what the cards say. It's pound, TCC beauty, hair is love. But I am taking the tissue paper off of my unit, and it comes already packaged in like a clear wrap so like your hair doesn't get frizzy and stuff. This unit is the Summer Jade unit. It's Brazilian virgin hair, 20 inches, and it is in a natural wave pattern. I'm going to show you guys this pattern later on in the video because I did wash my hair, go for a reinstall. At this point, I've had this hair for almost a month now. I think literally this week is my 4th week. But this is what the unit looks like when you receive it. What I really loved about this unit is that the hairline was perfect. Like literally when you put it on, the hairline was perfect. This is a unit that you literally don't have to go to a stylist to put on. You can put it on yourself. But look at like just the hair in general and the hairline. It's plucked to perfection. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. It comes with another band to fit on your head, like, you know, just a little bit more secure. So we are now moving on to my install. I did have my hairstylist come over because I wanted my hair to be perfect. But look at this. This is just with the lace still on, putting the wig on my head. Look how the hairline looks. That was what I loved about this. I was so excited when I put it on because the hairline just looks really, really natural, you know. Of course, I had to show you guys up close and personal of this lace and this hairline. Look at how the lace just matches perfectly with my skin, so it already looks undetectable. That's how you know, like, once we put the glue down and stuff, it's going to be perfect. So we're now moving into gluing my unit down. This unit can be worn as a glueless unit, as you can see, like literally just cut the lace off. But I really wanted that melted look, and I feel like you get that really perfect melted look when you glue your units down. So my hairstylist is just here right now putting the glue on my forehead area, not my hairline, so it's right above my hairline. And we're going to do about 2 to 3 coats of this so we get that perfect meltdown. So it takes a little minute for the glue to dry. Do not put your unit on unless you see that the glue on your hairline is not white anymore. It needs to be basically clear, okay? I'm going to repeat. Do not move your wig up on the glue until you see that glue is borderline clear, okay? No white. If you move it up while it's white, you're going to see that white glue show through, okay? That's the key. So we move the unit up, and now she is just putting my unit down perfectly. We're going to have to cut the ear tabs off. So for me, that's why I like going to my hairstylist, because, you know, she can just cut my ear. You know, I'm not trying to cut my ear off and stuff. But once this is already done, you literally can put on your unit by yourself because the ear tabs are already, like, you know, cut off. So she's cutting my ear tabs off so, like, I can put my hair behind my ear and stuff like that, adding a little bit more glue, like just touching up. But it's looking so good. I'm now moving into one of the final steps before slaying the unit, adding a few more curls. We're cutting the lace. Now, cut the lace down straight to the middle, and then the key to cutting your lace is you do not want to cut a straight line. You're going to see that straight line, so you're going to want to kind of like zigzag it. You may make it not even a little bit, you know, like as you can see, she's not making blunt straight cuts. Do not cut it straight across. It's going to look like a straight line, okay, girl? But look at this hairline. Like, look, it looks like it's coming out of scalp. It's a lace on one side, so you can see that, you know, it is a wig. And then the lace is cut off on the other side. And as you can see, like, she's doing small chunks at a time, you know? But you don't even know where the lace is right now. Small chunks at a time so you can get it how you want it. But that lace is laid, baby. So this is my unit on, just laid with no baby hairs. Now if you follow me, I love some baby hairs, okay? So I'm always going to get some baby hairs. So she's just making sure that the glue is down and she's secure before making my baby hairs. Now I like baby hairs. Everybody don't like baby hairs, but your girl needs her some baby hairs. So she made some baby hairs and then basically wrapped my edges, adding in some cute curls, you know, just touching up the curls. The unit does come curled, but we're just touching them up. And then blonde hair is in full effect after we get the curls in. So this is my unit completely finished and installed. I had to get three little baby hairs, as you guys can see, that I feel like just makes the look completely more natural and realistic. Now, I love this hair so much that 2 weeks later I had to reinstall her. This is the natural wave pattern, that natural wave that the unit comes in. So this is my unit freshly washed. I'm back at my hairstylist, ready for her to get reinstalled. And this time I decided, let's switch the part, you know. The whole point of having a frontal wig is basically, can I switch my part? So we switched the part to the middle part, decided to do straight hair this time. Let me know in the comment section which style you like better, the side part or the middle. A lot of you guys love the middle part, but she's versatile. You know, you can wear her straight, you can wear her curled, you can wear her crimped. And yeah, I've been loving the blonde. Absolutely loving the blonde.
Alright guys, so today was a wig wash day. I took my unit off and gave her a good wash. Now, what I did differently than the last time when I washed her is this time I let her sit under a hooded dryer. So I have a hooded dryer that I got from Amazon here in my house. And after I washed her, got the glue off the lace on the inside, I basically just put her in a towel under the hooded dryer. So I did kind of scrunched the hair, like it was laying like kind of scrunched, so it gave this really pretty wave pattern. And this is the natural wave wig, so as you guys can see, this wig could definitely get wet and still look decent, you know, out in the sun, especially since it's summertime. And you can wear her curled, side part, middle part, all of that. This is what my unit is looking like 4 weeks later from initially getting her. She is still very much intact, ready to go, ready to be reinstalled. Today I think I am inspired by this natural wave she already has going on. I'm like, let's do crimps on her. So I hit up my hairstylist and we're about to go over and get crimps, get her reinstalled and get some crimps. Like, she already is about there, so let's, like, yeah, let's switch it up. Let's do some crimps.
Alright guys, I'm getting my unit installed for the third time and I absolutely love the quality of this hair. The hair comes really full, and for this hair to be blonde, the hair is actually pretty healthy. Like, it doesn't have any dry ends. I really like how the hair feels. It's soft and shiny. So this is my hairstylist just about to give me some crimps. So we're crimping her up, and this unit has just been amazing, and I can't wait to see how these crimps turn out. If you guys are interested in this blonde unit from the Carissa collection, I'm going to have the link in my description box. This unit is called Summertime Jade, and it is the perfect blonde to wear. You can get this unit online, or if you're in Nashville, Tennessee, you can go into the shop. But for all my girls that are not in Nashville, Tennessee, you can definitely still get this unit. I'm going to have the link in my description box, like I said, so just click it. I love her. Absolutely love her.
Oh, Beyonce, can you handle this?
Why are you like this?
So fucking cute. Barbie went crimp. No, it won't happen.
What is wrong with you? Barbie went crimp. You're fucking hilarious. Okay, now what's her baby hair? What does that mean?
Okay, so listen, it's always this back and forth. Do I get baby hair, do I not? And I love some baby hair. I said that early in the video, but no, put that out the way. Yeah, baby hair.
But like, what kind? Like, how many do you want?
I want. See, look, you have to tell your hairstylist literally how many baby hair you want, because if not,
because all baby hair don't go with all styles. One right there.
Right. So should this one go over the part like that, or should it just go let the part be empty? Y'all see what I'm saying? So look, you gotta literally. This is about the baby hairs. Should I have a baby hair that go like this, or should it go 2 ones right there and then 1 right there? 2 right there, or just would it be 2? Would it be 2 over here and then 1 over there? You know, like we're. How do you know? How do you know, Jasmine? How many baby hairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, or like?
How would they know?
1, 2, 3. How would they know?
How would they know?
How would they know?
Alright guys, so this is the finished style. She's nice and full. The answer to the question is, do blondes have more fun? Absolutely yes. I've been loving my blonde for the summertime. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this new hair color on me. And you can click around and watch some more videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.